too. I would like to show you my bus doof wagon, but also known as the crooked tree bus, because we're all crooked trees. We're not straight, because who wants to be straight? Straight's boring. So this is my crooked tree bus, the doof wagon. And I've got this great tire rack right here that a friend built for me that can open up and then get me into my back garage.
Yep.
And inside in the garage I've got my solar panel stuff, which this cabinet is still not finished yet. It'll get finished in the next week or so. And I'll have a wall and another shelf, and then over here will be more shelves and ability to hang outdoor gear and stuff like that. So, and it only goes part of the way up, because on the inside I can use it. The inside part is a shelf, which you'll see.
Now, how much solar do you have?
I have 750 watts on the roof. I may be adding one more 315 watt panel, and I've got two 200 amp hour batteries.
Sure.
And then here, just last week, I came a couple days late because I was building my bed platform. So I have lots of ample storage. Can open the door and look out at the stars at night. I was very, very dedicated to keeping my bed here for that. And yeah. Come on in. It's taken me a couple years to even get to this point. I've got my fridge cabinet. The base for my kitchen is installed, but I don't have water yet, and I don't have propane installed yet, but I have the base for all of that in here. Still have to like put a front cover on and another cabinet cover down there. And then this is the centerpiece for my crooked tree bus. Right here, a friend of mine made this with a lot of turquoise inlay and everything.
Very cool.
And then as you can see, the garage stops there, so I'll be able to put in a mini split up there eventually. But in the temporary, it'll probably be just storage for clothes and stuff.
So is the ceiling reclaimed or just random?
It's cedar plank tongue and groove from Home Depot that I stained myself.
Sure. Well, I like it. I like the effect.
Thank you. And then got the lights on a dimmer right here.
Yep.
And then my composting toilet, which I just got, a different one. That's going to have a little cabinet around it. And then I'm going to put in a dinette right here. I got lucky and found a $50 swivel chair on Facebook Marketplace.
Yeah, I've been looking for one.
Yeah, I got lucky with that find for sure.
Yeah, I want to get one next to my dinette that slides back and spins around, so I have something comfy to sit at the dinette.
Yeah.
Yeah, but also my grandson, if he's riding with me. But then again, my bus isn't running right, so, you know.
Priorities, right?
The next vehicle, maybe.
Yeah. Are you going to be able to get yours fixed?
Badge is coming to visit. We'll see.
Okay. But yeah, I'm going to build a dinette here. And then I saw in another bus yesterday where he had a really cool thing where the table would flip up over and slide behind the dinette, and then flip back up over this way, so I don't have to like take it off of things and move it.
I just toured, so it would have been a few weeks back, a short bus where the guy had his countertop folded up to become one of the walls to his shower, and then the door in the front slid up to become another wall. But that slide up could come out and become a table.
That's awesome.
But his composting toilet was basically had a wet bath that collapsed down in a short bus.
Wow.
So he was able to fit a shower and toilet into the short bus.
All the things. Wow.
I'm like, that's a great idea.
Yeah, that's amazing.
So, because a lot of short buses don't end up with showers because you only got so much room.
Yeah, exactly.
You know, not like not like my bus. It's 5 feet wide shower in the back.
Yeah.
But I got room.
Tub.
Yeah.
Yeah, I hemmed and hawed. I think I'm gonna do an exterior shower eventually.
Sure.
Because I don't shower often.
And you can wave at the neighbors.
Yeah,
you know.
exactly.
Yeah.
Who cares? Nudity should be more accepted anyway.
Yeah, it's just skin. Everybody's got some.
Exactly. So yeah.
Yeah, I like your plans of what you're going to do. Next time I run into you, we'll do an update video and
update, yeah.
we'll see what you've done.
Sounds good.
Right.
Thanks, Steve.
Thanks for the tour.
Thank you.